Hi guys, so in this video pakita natin kung paano pag-model ng structural ng concrete structures. So ang example natin dito ay yung two-story residential building. Kita natin ito yung 2D drawings, yung perspective niya. So i-model natin ito, tini-analyze natin using our new software. Okay, tingnan natin dito sa framing. Balik tayo sa program. Ngayon, gawa muna tayo ng grid line. So, in this selections, you can find grid lines here. On this 2D, okay. Then input here. So, along X, we have only one, we have span 1, 2, 3, 4. So, apat na span. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll distribute this as A, B, C, and D to E. Okay. Then the distance A to B from here to B is 1.45. Then 3.55, 2.8, and 3.5. So 1.45. So 1.45. Let's make it 3.55, 2.8, and 3.05 meters. Okay, let's make it 11 and 5 para malaki yung space. So along the y-axis, ito pong y-axis natin. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, the same 4 span. So in 4, we can get this one as numbers 1, grid line 2, grid line 3, grid line 4. So this is 5. So ang distance natin dito, yung una is 1.95. Okay, 1.95. Then the second is, this column to column is 1.25. Then 2.55. Then we have 2.55. Then the last is 3.3. We have 3.3. Again, you have to increase the line, lobby line. Then we're done again. Okay. Then this is our grid line now as our guide in order to model the drawing. We can edit. We can put some grid tag here at the left side. Just check this one, and even you can put below. Then enter. Okay. Then you have our now we have the grid lines. This is a guide, so we can put now our columns. You can see here columns. We have 3 columns along this one line. So from their options, you have to select the structural objects like columns. You have beam, the slab, wall, stairs. So we need the column. Then you have to edit the section. You have to edit the section, the parameters. So we need a column here. Let's see, 25 by 30 or 25 by let's make it 30. Anyway, you can edit this later. So for the meantime, we will use this column 25 by 40. You can make any, you can edit here at the elements. You can find the side. You have here the beams and columns, and you can add some sizes there of columns. So materials, concrete, You have the height, you can put your height, whatever the height. So our standard is 3 meters. So we have now this object. So we'll start inputting this object. So in our model, it should be here. So we can put here 1, then also here. Just press E5 to make it center. Put here, then 1 at the end. E5 to make it the corner. Okay, then we'll put here. Also here we put E5 corner from center here, make it center of the column, the axis here, center corner, middle corner. Okay, then we have 4 columns in this axis. See, we have 4 columns here, 1 2 3 4, but here this one is 30 by 30. We make this 3 first. Okay, so let's start here. A5 corner and mid. Okay, let's check the middle here. Okay, then middle, the last one here, mid corner. We'll do later the 30 by 30 column. So let's proceed for the rectangular column first. We have here 3 and we have here 2 and we have 1 here. So we have 2 here. Okay, 2 and 1. So put here. A5 to make a corner. It should be like this, so it will be aligned. And here, middle, and here corner. Okay. Then the next is to have a 30 by 30 column. 30 by 30. We have here. Okay, now we can put it here, this corner around the terrace. Find the axis, corner, match the middle, and here, corner. Okay, and we have 1 here. Should be along the right side corner. Okay, I think we'll still have 1 here, 1 on this line. So we'll add 1 more here, and that's it. So we have done the columns. We can check, we can see in the 3D. Yeah, that's it. Now let's go for the beams. So you just select from the selection, just select the beam, and then you can edit the parameter. Let's say we'll use a beam of 30 by 25 by 40. Okay, it's the beam 40. concrete, okay, elevation. Then you can start putting here from the corner. See if I make it in the center, you can go through the other corner. Dito mo na lang doon. Yan na ang beam natin. Tapos dito na naman. Dito ka sa dulo. Sa baba. Yan. Dito. Ganon din ang size ng beam natin. Dito mo na dito. Then maglagay din tayo dito. Center natin. Center. Dito na natin dito. Dito na lang. Pa-edit natin baka kaya yung 25 by 40. Okay, then dito rin. Dito tayo dito. Okay. Then what else from here? From this corner, we are also going to put the beam up to this column. Then from this column up to this column. Okay. Then from this column up to here. Then from this column all to go through this beam. He will go through this beam. So that's it. Overlap yata. Let's again do it. Okay, from this column dito na lang. Then we put it to here. This middle. This middle F5. Or go through this corner. So yan na po. So now we need to copy this one to just highlight this one. Just highlight all and copy this to second floor. Apply. Okay. Then you can see the 3D now. We have now the model. So but actually wala itong column na to. As you can see the perspective. Wala to. So wala yan kasi open yung sa taas. Open dito. So we will delete this one. Click this one, delete. Click this column. Delete the beam, delete this beam, delete this column, this delete structures, this one. So this is now our framing. Now let's go, we will add a foundation. So let's select from the objects. Let's see, this is the foundation. We have to edit it. Let's assume it at 1.5 all. 1.5 by 1.4 or 1.2. Thickness 50. Okay. Column automatic generation. Just click this. Check this one. Then highlight this all column. All highlight. Click it, then you have there, you can see andyan yung footing natin. Okay, that's it. Then in the next video we will show you how to analyze the structure and the reinforcement. We have here the calculation, i-calculate natin yung reinforcement, Stresses, first you have to check the structural model if consistent ba siya. Then the stresses,